Look at the way patients are sleeping. Government hospital. After I finish up, let them come and arrest me. Look at the government hospital. They go sleep here. And my brother, my sister, I there for General Hospital, Ichi. This is a government hospital. So this building you see here is a government hospital, and they are still working here. Turn the camera here. Or turn it here. I will still show you people inside this hospital. This is a hospital, General Hospital. Ababu Hospital. This place is not a beer parlor. It's not a hotel. It's a place that government is supposed to be take care of. How come government hospital look like this? Follow me. Building now, this building where you see now, is a government hospital. Government hospital. Not that this is abandoned hospital. No. The workers, both doctors and nurses, everybody come out from here because the hospital done scattered. Follow me, enter inside. Look at it. Look at the bed. You can see it. Nothing, everything is not functioning well. Okay, this one is you can see it here. Property of Anambra State Government. Public Service Movement. This is a government hospital. So this building now for now. Building out like this due to everywhere kagonka, grass had a everything had a single. So no nurse and doctors on back one. You gonna upbreaking. You can see that roofing, zinc, everything don't come out. Look at it. Look at it. This is a government hospital. Look at this. Follow me, look at it. Come. This is a government hospital, but look like so government hospital, government abandoned this hospital. Government just abandoned this hospital. And now look at the one that is functioning now. Now look at this one. The zinc don't come out. Everything don't scattered. Now turn the camera here. Look at it. All this zinc, what you see now? Nah, breeze, ikuku. Bupusi zinc nina. All this zinc. The government hospital, but governments don't want to do something about this. Then leave it, General Hospital Ichi. Then leave it like this. Come, look at the one that remain. This is the place that doctors and nurses will come. And the doctors and nurses, when they come here, now professional doctor and nurse, and government hospital, government doctors and nurses, they are the one that's working here. Come, look, I show you. After I speak, you people should come and arrest me. Look at the one that is functioning. Government hospital. Look at. Come. Look at. Look at. Look at it. Look at the way patients are sleeping. Government hospital. After I finish up, let them come and arrest me. Look at government hospital. They go sleep here. I don't want to come inside and open it. Now here, government hospital. After I finish exposing this thing, only thing you people can do to come and arrest me. But the truth has come out. Government need to do something about this. Because this place is a place that is saving the life of people. They are saving the life of people. So this place is not supposed to be like this. Government is supposed to be taking care of hospital. Here is not beer parlor. Here is not a hotel. Here is not a club. This place is hospital. And government is supposed to be taking care of this place. Government hospital, not private hospital. Look at the place that is functioning. How can a patient sleep inside here? Look at. If now you, if they carry you come here, will you sleep here? Three building. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 building. Other ones don't spoil. Only this one remain. And patients will sit here waiting for doctors. Follow me. don't show inside because even this one. Look at even this one there. Even this one. Show them. Look at where patients are sleeping. Government hospital. Glass not there. Look at the window. Look at the window. Government hospital. Look at it. They should do something about this. Not to attack the person that are speaking. They should do something about it. Not to attacking the person that are speaking the truth. They should do something about this. This is a government hospital. This is a hospital where they are saving the life of people. Look at the ceiling. This one is working. What? Look at the ceiling. Government hospital. Look at the ceiling. Can you see the ceiling? Look at the ceiling of this place. Government hospital. Look at it. This building is functioning, but you can see how the building look like. Government hospital. Look at. This one, Minister of Health, and the solution is here. Look at this. You can see that this one, don't spoil. Breeze, land, this one don't spoil. This hospital look like abandoned hospital. Now turn this one. This one don't scatter. This one don't scatter. Come, turn them. This one is the one that is functioning. This building is the building that is functioning. But if you can see how the building look like, then told me that even if a woman that want to deliver child, if you learn there, enter inside the place where then they sleep, where patient they sleep. Even the pregnant woman where one deliver child, enter here. If you learn to start falling, learn go to enter inside the hospital. Which kind country is this? Government supposed to be taking care of this kind of place. So government supposed anything we call hospital, because in this place is the place that want to save the life of people. This is the place they're saving the life of people. Government supposed to be taking care of all this kind of thing. How come government abandoned this hospital for many years? Nobody's talking about it. Government abandoned this hospital for many years. Anambra State government. This place is Ichi. Here is Ichi Anambra State. Ichi Anambra State. Government abandoned this hospital for many years. Everything, zinc, building, everything is collapsing. All right, come, let me show them this one before I move out. Look at this one. This one of the building. This one of the building. Come, let me show you inside. Come. Easy. Government, look at it. Look at how everything scattered. Oh yeah. This one. You can see this one again. This our back. Hey! Yeah, follow me. See the one again. Can you see? Observe. Can you see? Come. Look at. You can see it, my people. If I go government hospital, and the government supposed to do something about this, because some patients, they are coming here. There are some people that when they will come here, see the environment, they will go. How can you, if now you where they sick, then carry you come to this hospital? Will you sleep in that bed? Will you where they watch me now? you will go condemn this video why they do? Because I know say some of the government, some of the politicians, they will not be happy with this video. But I ask you, you politician, will you come and sleep inside this place? If not you, will you come and sleep inside this place? Will you come and sleep inside this place? Most of you government, when you have health challenge, you will travel to London, America, go treat yourself. But look at the way poor people are treating themselves. No good hospital. Almost 4 buildings. Everywhere don't scattered. Everywhere don't scattered. And government don't care. For many years, government don't care to do something about this. But for many years, no governor remember this hospital. No governor of Anambra, no any governor of Anambra said, remember this hospital. All of them, no even care. Please, governor, you should do something about it. Poor people will come in. All of you, if you are sick, when I go travel outside the country, enter a plane, private jet to move. But poor people like me, now here where I go come. If I come here, how can I sleep here? Look at. If them bring injection, you come here, they bring injection for this kind of place. One inject you, what will you do? Will you allow them to inject you? Then bring injection to inject you, will you accept it? Everywhere scattered, abandoned hospital, but the hospital is from working. Patients are coming here. They will come. Professional doctor and nurse, they will come. Graduate, doctor, graduate, nurse, graduate, they will bring them here. Why? Why all this is happening? Why? Look at. Everywhere don't scattered. Everywhere don't scattered. Everywhere don't scattered. And no governor is scared to walk this place. What kind of a country is this? What kind of a country is this? If you speak, they will be looking for you to arrest you. They will be looking for you to you. They will be looking for you to silence you.